Hey guys, I just happened to peek at BAK today, and look what happened on yesterday. I mean, it went from $7. I had bought it last week at six. I rebought it somewhere near the low here, maybe 660 or 640. I didn't hit quite the bottom, but yeah, the reason why it went up was well, this is good news right here. But basically, what happened was this ADNOC group, I think, which is, I don't know if they're out of Saudi Arabia or whatever, and I don't even see the article here, but they had increased their offer to buy 38% of the company to $2.1 billion. And I don't know if this market cap is correct, but according to this, it says 3.2 billion. But if they're willing to pay 2 billion or 2.1 billion for 38%, 100% has to be worth over at least 5 billion. I had considered going all in, and if I did, I actually would be even. I was down $5,000 the other day, but because it's gone up, now I'm only down 2,000. The other day I was down to 19 something, and now we're closing in on 22. So minus 7% return is better than where I was. I was probably at negative 22 or 23% return. But I'd say definitely it is risky to go all in on one company, but so I thought that this was probably the safer bet, and if I'm wrong on BAK and it goes to zero or something crazy happens, I still am not totally out of the game. But yeah, this is just great news. If you bought it at close to 6 and it went up almost $2 a share. I had bought the other day, I think, I can't remember what it was, 1,000 shares. It doesn't exactly tell you, but I thought my average buy price was $10, but actually my average buy price is down to $9.23. So yeah, if I had picked up an extra 1,000 shares and sold Petrobras at 6 something, I probably would either be at the break-even point or a little bit in the green. And another one I want to talk about briefly, MPW. I don't know if this is the bottom, but took a big dump and then it took a little dead cat bounce. Went straight down and then took a dead cat bounce. But I did see news that they're paying 15 cents per share. I want to say if you're a holder of this company December 7th, and the payout will be January 11th. So a company that is, you're buying a share for like $4, and they're paying $1 in dividends. I mean, that's, well, I guess maybe not. It's quarterly, 15 cents a quarter, 30, so that'll be 60 cents a year. So the dividend basically got cut substantially. So instead of $1.02, it would be 60 cents instead of $1.02. But still, I mean, let's say the stock was $15 and they're paying a 15-cent dividend. I mean, a stock that's paying 60 cents for a stock that's $4, that's still really good. But the bad news may not all be in yet, because right now their biggest person basically cannot pay their rent. And MPW is having to pay the rent out of their own pocket, as far as I know. So hopefully whoever this the biggest customer is, hopefully they'll be able to continue paying their rent. So the future of this company might rely on that. But the risk to reward is a lot of risk, but the reward is high as well. So it maybe could still go lower. I don't know. I think there still might be some more bad news to come. But if you get in before December 7th, you at least know you're going to get a 15-cent dividend per share. So if you own, say, 1,000 shares, that'll be $150 4 times a year, which would be $600 a year. And probably if things turn around, they'll be increasing the dividend again. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.